It's morning. The toys are in the bedroom. Good morning, Archie. Good morning, Ted. Today, there are lots of costumes in the bedroom.
Look, it's messy. What is it?
Asks Ted.
Costumes! Hurrah!
Says Archie.
Let's play.
Put on a costume, Archie!
Says Dino. Archie puts on the doctor costume.
Look, I'm a doctor.
Says Archie.
Beep, beep.
What's that noise?
Asks Ted.
Put on the red shoes, Dino.
Says Doll.
Put on the red hat, Dino.
Says Little Bear. Dino puts on the dancer costume.
Look! I'm a dancer!
Says Dino.
Beep, beep. What's that noise?
Asks Archie.
Put on the white hat, Little Bear.
Says Ted. Little Bear puts on the chef costume.
Look! I'm a chef!
Says Little Bear.
Let's make a cake. Beep, beep. What's that noise?
Asks Dino.
Put on the sunglasses, Doll.
Says Archie. Doll puts on the pilot costume.
Look, I'm a pilot.
Says Doll.
Meow. Beep, beep. What's that noise?
Asks Little Bear.
Put on the black hat, Ted.
Says Little Bear. Ted puts on the teacher costume.
Look, I'm a teacher. Listen to me.
Says Ted.
Beep, beep. What's that noise?
Asks Doll.
Beep, beep. Look! Can you see 2 arms and 2 hands?
Asks Little Bear.
Yes. Can you see 2 legs and 2 feet?
Asks Doll.
Yes. Who is it?
Asks Ted.
I don't know.
Says Archie. It's Robot.
Beep, beep. I'm Robot, and I'm a firefighter.
Says Robot.
Hello, Robot. I'm Archie, and these are my friends.
Says Archie.
A new friend. Hello, Robot.
Say the toys. The bedroom is tidy now. Well done, everyone. Good night, Archie. Good night, everyone.
Oh.